Hi friends! Today we'll create a cool pixel glitch effect like this. Create a new comp, name it text, make it 1920 by 1080 pixels, 30 frames per second. Let's start by creating a text animation. Create a new text layer and toggle title/action safe. Our goal here is to create two text layers with similar visual volume. Let's move the anchor point of each layer to the left and right side respectively. Animate the scale of each layer. Duplicate text layers and reverse the animation. Select all of the keyframes and edit their easing. Set the interpolation influence to around 80%. Create a new comp and name it gradient. Create a new shape layer and add a gradient ramp. Set the start and end of the ramp. Go to the text composition and add the gradient comp inside. Turn off the visibility of the gradient comp and create a new adjustment layer. Name it Effects. Add a time displacement effect. Set the time displacement layer to the gradient comp. Set the parameters of the effect. And add a 2-second animation to the time resolution. Add the mosaic and slider controller. Add these expressions to the vertical and horizontal blocks. Add a simple choker, glow, and posterize time effects. Do you want to elevate your video editing game? Find all you need on Easy Edit Stock. Templates, text effects, presets. Discover a world of versatile assets for your next video. Create a new comp, name it main. Place the text comp inside. Add the Shift Channels effect. Set the blending mode to add. And duplicate the text twice. And set the channels of each layer. Offset each layer of the timeline. Our pixel glitch effect is ready.
If you like the result, make sure to hit the like button and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in next video.